Introducing TorqueStitch, the revolutionary solution to concrete cracking. Engineered for strength, designed for simplicity. Cracks in concrete structures are more than just an eyesore, they're a threat to integrity and safety. Traditional repair methods can be time-consuming, expensive, and often just a temporary fix. TorqueStitch is a structural system designed to permanently repair fractures in reinforced concrete. With its controlled torque precision-engineered and patented design, TorqueStitch restores tensile strength, reestablishes compression, and stabilizes the structure. Why choose TorqueStitch? It's a game-changer for concrete repair, offering unparalleled strength, easy installation, and permanent results. It's versatile for use in deck slabs, pools, driveways, warehouses, and more. Plus, it's a permanent and cost-effective solution compared to traditional remove and replace methods. Installation is straightforward. TorqueStitch anchors into the concrete, bridging the crack. Once tightened with its controlled torque, it applies a compressive force, effectively healing and reinforcing the concrete. Join the revolution in concrete repair. Visit our website at TorqueStitch.com to learn more about TorqueStitch and take the first step towards durable, reliable concrete restoration.